Alright, eto na ngayon. Backcourt pressure by the TJ Giants. Naitawid naman ng Alaska and they set up their offense. Naka-zone na rin dito ang Pure Foods TJ Giants. Sinubukan rin nila ito nung first half. Tingnan natin kung paano atakihin ang opensa ng Alaska. Uy! Si LA Tenorio with a no-look pass that he should have looked.
Actually, ganun kasagwa yung play na yun na kahit si Reynald Hugnaton nakaalis na.
So ito ngayon, ang Pure Foods TJ Giants, Ray Evangelista, hinahanap si Ralimi. Hello play, ito na ngayon si Ralimi. Kita mo naman, talagang napakasikip. Kalang kinukuyog no? Nagko-collapse yung depensa once the ball gets in the paint.
Bakit napapailing si Coach Ryan doon? Kasi si Ralimi, kaya nga pinapasahan ng mataas para kung yun sa taas ang ginawa niya,
binababa yung bola. Ito ngayon si Peter Jun Simon, maiksi ang tira. Yung rebound goes to LA Tenorio. Tenorio, sabi niya, today lang, relax. Set up natin ang ating opensa.
And this is the control we're looking for. Sa Alaska talagang may nagko-control at nag-orchestrate ng tempo ng kanilang opensiba. Sa Pure Foods, wala.
Ito ngayon, si Holcomb, extra pass. Underneath, Fonacier, tumira ng tres. No! Is Chico Lanete. Lanete accelerates. Lanete bumangga. At blocking foul itatawag dito kay LA Tenorio.
But then again, sometimes it's also nice to see a team running, but not with such a bad decision making.
You have to be under control all the time. In the meantime, another timeout is called. Napakalaki pa rin po ng lamang nitong Alaska Aces, leaning it over the Pure Foods TJ Giants.
Hard starting? Mag-outlast ka! Start agad!
Alright, ito po yung namumroblema ang kupunan ng Pure Foods TJ Giants, pero hindi pa rin po sumusuko sa laban. Naghahanap ng solusyon sa kanilang problema ngayon. They are down 64-38. At ito, makikita natin yung mga missing Giants. Nako, sama nito, Rado.
Oo, especially Kirby Raimundo. Isabi niya 16 points. Wala ngayong gabi. TJ Simon has the breakout game the last time around. Na 20 mahigit ang in-score nito today, he's 0. Rico Villanueva, gaya ng binabanggit natin, he has not really established himself as a Pure Foods Giant. Only has 3 tonight.
Kumbaga, kung ite-text man sila ni Coach Ryan Gregorio, sasabihin lang niya, saan na you? Miss you.
Miss you. Ano yan? M-I-S-U-H-U.
Miss you. Pero sana mamaya sabihin ng mga player na yan, dito na as.
Yan. Dito na tumaas. Hindi na tumaas.
So ito, si Chico Lanete on the line.
Pasok yung kanyang unang free throw. At although itong si Chico Lanete, pilit binubuhay ang kanyang kupunan dito playing at the point. Pero again, ang binabanggit natin is to take control of their offense.
And traveling. So turnover here for the Aces. And for whatever it's worth, kailangan dito, importante sa Pure Foods to finish strong here in the third period para ganahan naman papasok ng fourth quarter.
Roger Yap is back, their number 1 point guard. So we hope better things for Pure Foods coming from the timeout.
Well, dito ang papansin yung ball movement kulang na kulang dito sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. If you compare it sa ball movement ng Alaska Aces.
No movement at all, to say the least.
Kaya madali makareact yung depensa ng Alaska because mabagal yung ikot ng bola. Unlike ang Alaska naman, kanina pa nila dinidisplay yung kanilang fast ball movement. Kita mo yan, no? Yung pasahan nila dito. Kaya bago pa makareact yung depensa, ito na, nasa kabila na.
That's the fluidity of offense. And again, reading the defense put out by your opponents. And Alaska has a better reading in this ball game, definitely.
Here's Fonacier with a looper. Nothing there, pero sa kanya pa rin pumunta yung bola. At ito, Tinamaan sa mukha itong si Larry Fonasher.
At may foul pa. At parang itong si Randy Holcomb ay hindi pa natutuwa sa kanilang kalamangan ngayon. Ha?
Siyempre, ang ayaw mong mangyari, maging complacent dahil meron pa tayong fourth quarter di ba?
At saka bumaba yung lamang nila. 28 kanina, 24 na lang.
Ito ngayon, si Larry Fonasher titira ng tres, maiksi ito. Pero si Ognatan pa nakapulot. Si LA Tenorio naman ang susubok, maikli pa rin. Ito ngayon si Peter Jun Simon, fast break play. Simon, binangga ni Fonasher. Napigilan yung fast break, sumugod na naman si Simon. Binigay kay Kirby Raimundo. Kirby Raimundo, pinag-isipan ng tres. Tinira na nga, maikli.
Kirby will not make that shot. Kita mo yung hesitation niya dun sa kanyang tira. Hindi mo alam, halos mapahakbang pa nga siya.
Parang napilitan na lang itira no? Here's a ball movement we were talking about. Pero this time, natapik yan ng depensa ng Pure Foods. Under a minute remaining sa ating third quarter. Roger Yap. Si Ralimi still in the backcourt. Nagtatali ng sintas. Walang napuntahan si Simon doon. Ito ngayon si Fonasher. Binigay kay Hugnatan. Hugnatan bagang nagulat pa eh. Last touch on a red shirt. The ball will remain with the Alaska Aces. Palitan ng tao. James Yap, balik ulit. Together with Tony De La Cruz naman sa panig ng Alaska.
And to think, itong Alaska with their lineup is playing small ever since. But ang Pure Foods hindi ever nakapag-capitalize dyan.
14 seconds sa shot clock ng Alaska. Ryan Tenorio at the corner. Back to Fonasher. Fonasher swings it to De La Cruz. 5 seconds remaining sa shot clock ng Alaska. Ito, tira ni De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound goes to Ralimi. Outlet pass to Roger Yap. Roger Yap to James Yap. Libre. Wala.
There are nights na talagang yung ordinarily nai-score mo ng papikit. One of those nights, and this is that night para sa kupunan ng Pure Foods, though we still have a full quarter ahead, but the total domination is still continuing.
Ito ulit si James Yap. Binigay kay Ralimi. Left elbow jumper. Wala pa rin. And Tenorio looking at the clock. It reads 10 seconds. Tenorio ngayon. He makes his move. Tenorio. Binigay kay John Ferriols. Wala. And James Yap trying to beat the buzzer. And so, the onslaught continues for the Alaska Aces as the Pure Foods TJ Giants continues to struggle to find some answers dito po sa problema nila. And sa ball game, ayan po ang ating score at the end of